What does it take to be perfect? What does it take to exceed greatness? I have spent a lifetime searching for a formula that doesn't exist. Because when it's all said and done, it comes down to the 24 hours you're given and what you're prepared to do with it. In this life, there are people who hustle and there are people who watch. You simply need to choose who you are. I don't care if you want to be the next bodybuilder, the next CEO, the next entertainer, because it all comes down to a work ethic. You can have all the talent in the world, but if you're not willing to sacrifice for your dream, then you don't have a dream. I refuse to sit back and watch another man go after the same dream I have had since I was a child. I refuse to sleep tonight knowing I didn't give 100% in the 24 hours I was given, because nothing in this life is guaranteed. Nothing. So the next time that alarm goes off, I want you to think about this moment. You've got 24 hours to find a way to grind harder, to live harder, to fight harder. Because without that progression is failure. And understanding that is a step towards perfection.